I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news, and today's lineup is a full-blown cyber thriller. We're diving headfirst into chaos with the TAP leak, which just got way worse. A second database has surfaced, exposing over 1.1 million user messages, and yes, they're private chats. The stolen data is already making the rounds on hacking forums, so if you use T, it might be time to wipe your digital footprint. Now, let's talk about Google's Gemini CLI, the AI-powered coding assistant that developers love. Until today, a critical flaw allowed attackers to silently run code and exfiltrate data using tools that were already trusted by the system. Translation: malware could execute right under your nose, disguised as harmless commands. Yikes. And speaking of software gremlins, heads up gamers. Endgame Gear's mouse configuration tool was compromised. If you downloaded the software between June 26th and July 9th, you might have picked up some malware. It came straight from their official site, so if that tool's on your system, quarantine it now. Meanwhile, cyber attack alarms are ringing in Cupertino. Microsoft dropped a bombshell revealing that a bug in macOS dubbed Sploit-Lite could let attackers bypass Apple's tight security rules and steal sensitive Apple Intelligence data. This includes cached details from interactions with Siri and other AI features. A patch is out, so update your Mac, immediately. And let's not forget the enterprise crowd. Cisco's got a problem of its own. A researcher released a full working exploit for a nasty vulnerability in Cisco Identity Services Engine, or ISE. It's a remote code execution bug with no authentication required, and attackers are actively leveraging it. That's as serious as it gets. Now, quick reminder while we pause the drama for just a moment. You know what's harder than dodging a zero-day attack? Being prepared for absolutely anything in the tech world. That's where the ultimate USB version, 2.1 from bootableusbs.com, comes in. It features 13 categories and 50 bootable environments, from hacking and forensics to dark web browsing, recovery, and even retro gaming. The Swiss Army knife of tech. Grab yours today. The link's in the description. All right, back to it. OpenAI is cooking up something big. GPT-5 could drop any day now, and word on the street is that it might outperform anything ChatGPT has offered so far. That timing lines up with another potential disruptor, ChatGPT Shop, a built-in shopping assistant that could go toe-to-toe with Google Shopping. AI is not just doing your homework, it's filling your cart. But here's a twist. While AI keeps getting smarter, agents are struggling to communicate with each other. Yep, forget the Turing test. The real hurdle now is coordination. Developing protocols between AI systems might just be the next frontier. In international news, the Naval Group, France's state-owned warship builder, is investigating a data breach that led to a 1 terabyte leak. 1 terabyte? It's a huge haul of confidential military and defense data now floating around shady corners of the web. Stateside, the CISA is waving red flags over paper-cut print software. A zero-click vulnerability is being actively exploited to achieve remote code execution through CSRF-style attacks. Translation: attackers don't even need your help to hack your network. And for our devs in the audience, beware. Hackers compromised TopTal's GitHub and slipped malicious NPM packages into the ecosystem. Some of those packages had already been downloaded 5,000 times before anyone noticed. If you're building with NPM, double-check your dependencies. Meanwhile, a sophisticated ransomware gang called Scattered Spider is hijacking VMware ESXi instances to lock down critical U.S. infrastructure, from airlines to retailers. These attacks are fast, stealthy, and leave almost no digital fingerprints. Before we go, a quick software update PSA from Microsoft. Windows 11 version 22H2 hits end of support on October 14th. If you're still running that build, it's time to upgrade or risk being left in the security dust. That's it for today's digital drama. Chip Sparks signing off from Circuit Brief, and that's your daily tech roundup. Like, follow, and I'll see you tomorrow.